Hey guys, it's Andrew Esquivel here, back with another review, and today I'm going to be reviewing this. The Garmin GPS Portable Friction Mount. Now, if you've got a GPS, chances are you got something along the lines of this. We're all familiar with what this is. Now, since I'm in my car, I have to do little things to make sure you guys see what I'm talking about. This is what you normally have on your GPS. I'll show you. GPS is oftentimes connected like this, and it sticks to your window. We zoom out. You know, that whole spiel. But ask yourself, how many times has your GPS fallen off the window, causing you to put yourself at risk to stick it back on so you can see where the heck you're supposed to go, because your GPS is telling you where to go? Well, that's no longer an issue, and I'm going to show you why. Away with the stupid suction cup thing that never works, and in with the friction mount. Now let me show you what the friction mount actually is. We're going to zoom in a little bit here. And this is the friction mount, okay? It's heavy. It's sticky on the bottom. Not sticky like glue, but sticky like it's not going to move around. It stays in place. And this is great, because then you can just put it on your dash. So let me zoom out here and show you what I mean. Bam. Done. Move it wherever you want. It's not going to move. Trust me, I've tested it. You can be going however fast you want, accelerate, decelerate, turn, whatever. It's not going to move. It's a friction mount. It uses friction and gravity to make sure that it never moves. And it does just that, and it does it very, very well. Not once have I had a problem with my GPS ever since I've had this. Not only will it prevent you from having to put yourself at risk to reapply your GPS to a spot to where you can see it, but it'll also save the life of your GPS. Think how much you're damaging your product every time it falls off the window, bounces all over the place, gets tossed around the car. It's not good for the GPS. So let me go over a few more things about the friction mount, which means I'm going to have to zoom back in here. So bear with me, everyone. Okay, so you may notice this right here, this lock mechanism. Well, if you undo the lock and you press down on this button right here, you can take this part out. Now this is the part that actually attaches to your GPS, okay? And the handy bit about that is if your friction mount is somewhere, you push this down, you can rotate it to whatever angle you want. And the reason that's good, and when you find the spot you want, you lock it in, okay? And let me explain to you why that's a handy feature, which is going to involve us, once again, zooming out. So you'll want your friction mount to be symmetrical with the car, okay? You want it left and right, straight and back like that. Well, that's the best way to get the friction to stay where it is. This little mechanism allows you to turn it to whatever angle you want so that the friction mount is in the best position it could be in, while you, in turn, are able to see the GPS in the best position that you can turn it to. So you take anything like this, and keep in mind, this will work. This friction mount works for almost every single GPS that Garmin makes. So, as you can imagine, applying it is super simple. Put it down, put it to a position you like, bam, done. Cannot tell you how much of a blessing it is to have a product like this. It saves you so much hassle and is worth every penny that you purchase it for. Which on Amazon you can get it for about 20 bucks. And some people might say it's a little expensive, but god dang is it worth it. Cannot say enough good things about this friction mount. And if you're like me, you're sick and tired of having to reposition a suction cup all the time. So long story short, get the friction mount. It's completely worth every single penny. So with that being said, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the review. Check out my other videos, comment, rate, subscribe, all that good stuff. and have a good one.